Hey, what's going on? I wanted to give a quick update to Gary on his radio, and now we have it all back together. We have the beautiful orange LEDs in the display. We have the white here now. It is kind of washed out on here. We can dim it down all the way down here. So that is his dimmest setting, and we can go up from there. But what he wanted was a nice, beautiful orange display, which we do have. We have the white display LEDs on the keypad, which I saw people selling them for $89 or something crazy like that. Is that seriously a thing? I may need to get into it. I wouldn't charge anything like that. Goodness. Anyway, we're just going over this real quick, and just wanted to show Gary also his little amp. And this is a special amp on the backside here. This is a DX-100, and we have his amp switch on, and we want to do something a little different. So we have a amp light there. It's just a pinhole through the front. First time doing that. Very cool. So when the amp is on, he knows about it. No extra drilled holes, just a switch on the back. But Gary, we're working on your radio very quickly and very diligently. I know you've been very patient, and we're getting it back to you. So yeah, amp light off, amp on. Light is glowing green just like you want. So Mr. Gary, here we are with your radio so far. Can't wait to get it back to you, sir. I'll always hang out on channel 19A. Why not? Very popular channel. Actually, I used to be in the day. It used to be very popular in the day. Old truckers used to go up to channel 50. It was a Cybernet. I have one of those radios as well. But you popped a button, boom, and they were AM channel 50. So there were a lot of truckers that just punched a button when they needed something. And 19A is also something, especially on these RCI old school 2950s. Man, oh man. Cool, Gary. We're getting you all set up. Amp on like we wanted. Amp off. And then you really don't even see it. You don't see anything, do you? That's the reason Gary wanted it done. And have a little fun. All right, Gary, we'll get this radio on the bench, get it out, put your other radio on, get that out to you as well. Can't wait to run out of space, as I always say. All right, Eric Texas, I appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one. But yeah, just a little teaser for Gary and his wife Anita. So we'll see you in the next one. 73 Eric Texas.